Hey, welcome back to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas, and today is no different from the rest. I will be decorating in my formal living room. I will be hanging some curtains here. I had mentioned in a few videos prior that I am looking for another set, or I was looking for another set of linen curtains for my third window in here, and I finally found some on Amazon, so I will be hanging those and just decorating a little bit here in the space. Also, I did make a quick change to the buffet that I posted in a prior video as well, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and the notifications bell so that you don't miss my videos when they are uploaded. Thank you so much, and let's jump right into it. So this is my formal living room, and as you can see, I have up these linen curtains that I picked up from Home Goods a while back. Here is a picture of the curtains that I picked up at Amazon to go on the third window you see there behind me. And here is a close-up look of the curtains that I ordered. As you can see, they are semi-sheer linen curtains with the back tabs, and the other curtains that I have up are pinch pleat curtains that I picked up from Home Goods, and they are by the brand Ralph Lauren, so they are a much better quality than this set here. But I was not able to find a third set of these curtains, and I mentioned that in a prior video, so I was on the hunt for a third set to go on the window here in the dining room section. So that was the dining room section you saw behind me at the beginning of the video. And what I decided to do was to place the new pair of curtains on this second window here, sort of in the middle, because it is a different style of curtains. So it is very close to the set that I have up here. So I'm just taking down that Ralph Lauren set, and I'm going to hang the Amazon pair in the middle, on the middle window, as I mentioned. So I thought that that would help it blend better by placing this set in the middle, just to kind of give a better flow in the room. So that's what I am going to do. I will take my fabric steamer and steam out some of the wrinkles in these curtains. I never got around to steaming the first set either, so I'm just going to do them all at once. So I'm just going to hang these curtains, and I will be back soon. For comparison purposes, as you can see, these curtains are much thicker. These are the curtains from Home Goods, and again, they're a much better quality, but they are both semi-sheer, but the quality is absolutely, you can tell the difference. So as you can see my hand through the curtains that are hanging on the curtain rod. So they are much thinner, and that is something that I noticed once I hung them, and actually just feeling the Ralph Lauren pair again, it just dawned on me the thickness was quite. These are some pillow covers that I ordered from Amazon. They are a Faux alligator or crocodile skin pillow cover. I really like them. They're very modern and chic. I did notice that you have to kind of let the air out once you put the insert into this pillow cover. So that's what I'm doing. I unzipped it a little bit to squeeze out some of the air to make it more flexible, to chop it and form it the way that I would like it to sit on the couch. So these are definitely a plus. This is a pillow that I picked up from Amazon. I actually have 2 of those and then 2 lumbar styles of this cream colored pillow. And I really like these. They're very versatile, of course, because they're a neutral color. So they are also some of my faves. This is a pillow I picked up from Home Goods as well. It is a goose filled pillow that was on clearance actually, but I love the taupe color, so that I felt worked perfectly in the space to go with the colors that are in the rug. And for this pillow, I'm doing the same thing. I'm letting out the air so that I can chop the pillow and place the pillow as I see fit in this chair here. So I am just styling the room to be as neutral as possible, as you can see. And I love the look. I'm so happy that I decided to move the furniture in the spaces that they are in. So now I am here the next morning finishing up, and I changed out the handles on this buffet. The other ones, I really love them, but they just didn't work on this buffet. And again, if you haven't seen my prior video, this is a buffet that I bought off of the Facebook Marketplace and did a DIY job on it. And this thing is just giving me all sorts of problems as I'm trying to update it. It has tons of scratches on it once again, so I will need to touch up the black paint when I'm done. So as I screwed in new screws for these handles, you know, a lot of the wood dust got everywhere. So I am just cleaning that up, and I am going to continue to work through the space. These doorknobs came from Home Goods as well, and it came in a set of 8. And as you can see, I only used 4. So these are really nice size, nice style of doorknobs, and they were only, I believe, about $9.99 for all 8, which was a good deal. The legs on this buffet I did pick up off of Amazon, and I will put a link in my description. They did come in gold, and I spray painted them silver, and the doorknobs were already silver, so it all came together pretty well. And this is a sturdy set of doorknobs for when I'm pulling open the doors. They open really easily. So with the prior doorknobs, they weren't opening easy enough for me. So I like these better, and I'm glad that I had these on hand in my stash. This fall plant I did get from Home Goods as well. And as I mentioned before, these types of artificial plants, I noticed they build up a film inside of the vase that I have to clean all pretty frequently. So I was just wiping that down to get it all nice and clean. And I'm just going to go ahead and continue with decorating this space, and more to come. This is a mirror that I already had, and I needed to place something on this bare wall. So I went in to my garage to see what I had before going out to buy something, and I remembered that I had this mirror, so it was perfect. I do not have a mirror hanging in this space right now, so I said, yeah, this is something that definitely needs to be in the living room area. I think having a mirror in the living room is just a must. So I am just going ahead and doing my measurements, using this stud finder so that I can go ahead and nail in the picture hooks to hang it on the wall. I did just show you the size of the picture hook that I will be using. It does need to be a certain weight depending on what you are hanging. So that picture hook was definitely made for the weight of this mirror. It's pretty heavy mirror, so the single picture hook just was not going to work, so I used this heavier kind of double picture hook to make sure that it was nice and secure. So I'm going to go ahead and hang the mirror, and I'll be back in a sec. I picked up this really pretty ginger jar from Home Goods. Someone had returned it while I was there, so I picked it up. It is so pretty and unique, and I thought it would go perfect in the space, and it was $49.99. It's a nice size, and I like that it is translucent, so I'm going to place it over here on the buffet. So here is a video of the finished space. I really love how it came out. It looks really nice and airy and just really nice and refreshed. Again, I was going for a neutral look, which I think I have accomplished here. And a lot of the things that are in this video I already had. I only ordered those Amazon curtains and the ginger jar. So it's really good to shop your home to see what all you have in your own inventory without going out and buying new things, and just moving around the furniture, spray painting some items, doing a DIY project, adding some doorknobs, changing out your lampshades, swapping out a rug, changing your pillow covers. Things like that can make a huge difference in the space. Painting a wall to create create an accent wall, or putting up some wall panels or wainscot, things like that can really transition your space. That is something that's going to be in a future project of mine. I'm adding some not crown molding, but wall molding throughout my home. So that is something that I will be showing you guys in some videos in the near future. I hope you really like the look, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for more videos of the space and final pictures.